Today we're going to be giving an update on Shiba Inu Coin and the largest European exchange, Bitstamp. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, how much you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be setting a like goal of 200 likes for this video, so if you guys could help us out with that, that'd be awesome. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in the Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you have yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is currently sitting right at that 34 level. I'm going to be going over technical analysis at the end of this video, and then also going over a few pieces of news that are coming out for Shiba Inu Coin today. So if you guys want to hear all that, stick around to the end of the video. As we can see here, the popular cryptocurrencies pretty much all kind of up 3%, down 1%. Nothing is really running today in terms of the really major cryptocurrencies. Nothing is really up too much today. But enough of that, let's get into our different pieces of news for today. So obviously there's not a ton of news today. We're going to be going over just a few little sprinkles that we found here and there on Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys want to see my thoughts on why I think today is actually one of the biggest days for Shiba Inu Coin, go ahead and watch our last video that has my face in the thumbnail. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and why it's looking for a breakout after seeing red on Wednesday. After having bucked the trend on Wednesday with a red day, a move back to the 3.5 levels would signal a breakout day ahead, so you guys got to tune in for this. This is a technical analysis for Shiba Inu Coin. We'll be looking at movements from a day prior and today's support, resistance, pivot levels, and Fibonacci's. So obviously you guys probably don't know what all these things mean, but we'll pretty much just be going over the support and resistance levels. Shiba Inu Coin fell by 0.41% Wednesday, partially reversing from a 3.28% gain on Tuesday. Shiba Inu Coin ended the day at 3384. Obviously we're really close to that right now as well. After a mixed start today, Shiba Inu Coin slid from a late afternoon intraday low of 3188 before making a move. The reversal saw Shiba Inu Coin climb through the first major support level at the 324 before rallying to a late intraday high at 3439. Well, let's just go over what we're looking at for the day ahead. Shiba Inu would need to avoid a fall through the 334 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at 349 into play. So really what you guys got to be looking for here in terms of their technical analysis, the first major support level is going to be at that 324 level. So I have my support level at the 3.2 level. They have it at 3.24. You know, things can be different there. Things can be different. The pivot level is going to be the 334. So basically if they get below the 334, we're most likely going to see the support at the 324. I'll try to make sense of this in the technical analysis at the end of the video. And then they have the first major resistance level at the 349 level. So basically what this means is if we can get above the 349 level today, then we can possibly see a retracement here at the 6987 level, the 5680 level, or the 37 level. If that, hopefully that all makes sense to you, but really the resistance is going to be at the 349. If we break above that, we can see any of these levels today. But yeah, enough of that. I'll talk about my technical analysis at the end of this video. Another thing I want to mention is this tweet from Watcher Guru, and it's a fun fact. Shib actually has a larger market cap than Robinhood, so just something I kind of wanted to mention. If Robinhood were to list Shib, and I made a video on this yesterday, you guys should definitely watch it. It's called Robinhood Listing Update. But if they were to list Shib, they would make a ton of money off of the people who trade Shib on there, so they definitely should do it. But fun fact, Shib actually has a larger market cap than Robinhood. After the 42% Robinhood has dropped in this last month, Shib is definitely bigger. But yeah, I just found that to be funny. But yeah, here's the real news on the day. It's going to be Europe's largest crypto exchange confirms to list Shiba Inu in 2022. So this is actually something we already knew. The Bitstamp thing, we already knew that they were going to be listing Shiba Shiba Inu Coin, we just thought it would be sooner. Europe's biggest cryptocurrency exchange platform, Bitstamp, had confirmed to list Shiba Inu in December 2021. However, the trading platform revealed that they are facing technical issues listing Shib, and the team is working towards rectifying the glitches. The Shiba Inu integration faced technical difficulties, and Bitstamp confirmed that Shib listing will go live in 2022. So that is something to think about for today. Obviously, Bitstamp has not started trading, and they won't until 2022. I'm assuming it's going to be in early 2022 because they're just fixing glitches. But here's the update. Shib update, no worries, we haven't changed our minds. This is kind of what happened to Kraken, if you guys remember. As you know, we needed to postpone our Shiba Inu listing. We have been having some technical difficulties with the integration. Rest assured it will happen, but in 2022. Thanks for understanding. So this is definitely similar to the Kraken situation that happened before. If you guys weren't aware, Kraken basically said, hey, we will, if you get 2,000 likes on this tweet, we will list Shiba Inu Coin tomorrow. They then got the amount of likes they needed and then didn't list Shiba Inu Coin the next day. So everyone was mad. They started, giving Kraken terrible ratings on the App Store. And then eventually, about a month later, Kraken also listed Shiba Inu Coin finally. Everyone got the ratings back up, and also Shiba Inu Coin pumped 30% on that day. So this is something to look forward to. If Bitstamp does in the future give some updates on when what day they will be listing Shiba Inu Coin, I would definitely be on the lookout because that could be a possible pump for that day. But just know this catalyst is coming probably next month, and this is something that could pump us up all the way maybe 20-30%. So just something to think about. But yeah, considering they're so close to getting Shib on board, we can assume it to be January 2022. This is also what I think. All top 10 exchanges have listed Shiba Inu and is available for trading in US, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Shib is making its way to almost every exchange platform and reaching investors with ease. And that's a really big thing here, is like just making sure that everyone is able to invest in Shiba Inu Coin. I know cryptocurrency is just kind of a foreign language in a lot of different countries around the world, but just giving everyone access to it is the really big thing here, and that's what we're doing with Bitstamp. That's what we're doing with Kraken, all these different exchanges, especially the ones we've been hearing about lately in different countries. But yeah, now let's talk about the global crypto market. So the global crypto market is currently up to 2.26 trillion, a 3% increase over the last day. Now you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum doing pretty well. Pretty much everything is in the green, which is what I like to see. Hopefully that continues until tomorrow. One thing I want to see tomorrow is this volume get at least above $2 billion. I'd like to see it, however, between $3 and $4 billion. Hopefully we can see that with any piece of news, but even if we don't get any news, I expect us to be in the green. Now if we take a look at this technical analysis, we can see here that we're going to have that support at the 32 level. They obviously on that article we read at the beginning of this have the support here at the 32.4 level. If we can stay above that, I think we'll be looking good going into tomorrow, but really I see the support here at the 32 level personally. They have the major resistance at the 35 level, which I can definitely agree to, considering we've been there twice. So I definitely think the 35 or the 34.9 level is definitely going to be a major resistance that hopefully we can break through tomorrow. But if not, we will definitely see at least gains to that level, in my opinion. Hopefully we do see that today. We'll also see a resistance here at the 38.5 level in a macro sense. We definitely won't be getting there tomorrow without any big piece of news though. So really what you guys have to be on the lookout for is the support here tomorrow at the 32, not breaking that obviously, and then maybe testing this resistance at the 34.9 or the 35 level. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. Get your free stock with that first link in the description. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.